welcome back to my channel. It's Cassidy Faye, and today's video is going to be a tutorial. This is basically me showing you how I came up with this random look that I just put together on the spot. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this, then keep watching. So I like to start off by color correcting just because I have a few blemishes that I want to make sure are covered once I apply my foundation. And next I like to go ahead and add concealer. So this step is 100% optional, but I find that it is so helpful, and I really mean that because I have oily skin, and whenever I add this step to my routine, my skin is matte for hours throughout the day. So this is definitely worth the extra time. Alright, so I'm gonna use this Face Tape foundation by Tarte. I'm not even gonna lie guys, when I first started applying this, I was not feeling this color at all. I felt like I looked like an Oompa Loompa and I was like, I'm returning this ASAP. But the finished look turned out really nice, so Tarte definitely gets my thumbs up because this foundation lasted so long. It just looks beautiful all day. And just so it's not cakey, I like to apply the foundation lightly over the top of the areas that I've already applied concealer. Now I'm going to move on to this Naked concealer. It is in the shade Medium Light. This is a really light concealer and it's so easy to spread. So I really like that about this because I love my LA Pro Conceal, but it's really thick and sometimes you can't move it around as much as I would like. Next, I'm going to use this Black Radiance Loose Setting Powder. I'm going to use this LA Pro Conceal in the shade Dark Cocoa. So I really want to use this to really snatch my contour today. So let's see how it works out because I haven't used this in forever. Next, what I'm gonna do is use my black opal. It's a finishing powder. I'm gonna highlight because I always forget that step, but it's so very important. I got a new palette. It's by Icon Pro, or it's actually by Absolute New York, and it's called Icon Pro. And I got it for really cheap. I think it was like $8 at TJ Maxx. We're gonna go with this shade up here. I don't think it's gonna be light enough, but we'll see. Ooh, nice. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I really am loving this. I'm going to use this orange color right here. So I'm going to take this color and put it in my inner part of my eye. I think I'm going to put this lighter color here too, just to brighten it up. We're going to take what I used to highlight and put it in the inner corner just a little bit. Then I'm going to take the rest of what's on this brush and just take it, put it on my cheeks. I'm going to use this lip liner. It is in the color Hazelnut Tea. I'm going to go over this with my Pure Oil lip gloss. I put it over most of my lip colors. When I was at TJ Maxx, I saw a pack of them. A pack! So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna buy this. I feel like this look is so pretty and I should add, you know, some cat eye to it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let me zoom in so you guys can really see what I'm doing. I'm trying to follow my eyelid, how it kind of caves in here. As you can see, the little line there, and then bring it into the rest of the liner. Last thing we need is lashes. I might do extensions and that's gonna take a minute, so I'm gonna do those. Once I finished my extensions, I decided to add some lip liner just to define my lips a little bit more, so I went with a shade darker. I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara to my bottom lashes. And the last thing I like to do is bring forth my beauty marks with a liquid eyeliner. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I'm so happy you guys watched all the way to the end. So go ahead and give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and love you guys.